Emremuno, Mamin can say, if ye esheno, a share responsibility.
96.3.
Yeah, a war or bar any bema entem. For purposes of education, intino, do be a state law no as it is. Na my church muchi. Now, this is the position of Ghanaian law when it comes to responsibility in the home. This is what the law says. In fact, permit me to state it.
Lawson FM 96.3.
Under Ghanaian law, the responsibilities of spouses in their home are governed mainly by marriage laws, the 1992 Constitution, and the Children's Act 1998 Act 560. The key principle is equality of rights and responsibilities between husband and wife within the marriage and the family. Or say, Ghana mremuno, oko efiesha, emramiensa ena ebo efiesha huban. The edikano eye awade emra yaye edisha awade. Ena ye mra kunu 1992 Constitution no. Ena mra etosumi ensa ye the Children's Act. Emra ye de ehwe enkwada bambo enu omu ye die o Ghana ha. Sa emra mi ensan ne wo Ghana ha. E kasafa bema ene oba esiehwe emu. Na de emra ni mi ensan nyina no enaya ejina so pa emra ne de eye adwuma ne say equality of rights and responsibilities between husband and wife within the marriage and the family. And it says, so but a year a fear a year a chadia na say ya chan pepe edi ama obano any bearmano. Ya obidie emuru obidie. Na but my entia the 1992 Constitution eka. Me be breaki emra mu mi ensan mu de bia ka ni ehunu obi a said emra ne tie 1992 Constitution Article 22 plus 3 of the 1992 Constitution provides as follows: spouses shall have equal access to property jointly acquired during marriage, and that both spouses have equal rights and obligations in marriage and family life. Tienye. Ose awadifo bema ne bema obano. Mu waria ejapade bia de fra awade ni mabano. Mu wo equal rights. I just say ye chen pepe se awade ni gua ana se da cha bi ba ejapade no ho chen pepe. Enam se chen pepe ni ntino. You also have equal rights and obligations. Sansu na asudie eni fa ahudie ewa awade ni mu no so no. Eno so chen pepe. This means Ghanaian law rejects This means Ghanaian law rejects the old idea that it is only the husband who is the head responsible for the household, that both husband and wife share mutual duties of support, care, and cooperation. If Ghana and the Yemrani Edibu and 1992 Constitution, Osititi Ajibia Nega Yetrimu say, Bearman ye etre. Now Bearman na Adisu of your Hunina Swauno, and then Ghana Mrano Empanya Juma. Na Ghana Mrani say, Obani Bearmano, who mutual duties of support, care, and cooperation. And it says, Bearma etimisha Oba, Oba etimisha Bearma, Bearma timiba Oba Jetri. Oba timbo be majetri be matima oba sikatu no botom oba so tima be ma sikatu no botom efiri say asɛdeɛ a ɛwɔ awadeɛ no mu no under 1992 Ghana mmara kɛseɛ a ɛwɔ Ghana ha no a ɛbɔ yɛ nyinaa ho ba no ɔkyɛ asɛdeɛ no ne agyapadeɛ no pɛpɛɛpɛ. Bakwame mamenka mmara ɛtɔ so mmienu Matrimonial Causes Act. Me say mmara mmiɛnsa ɛna ɛbɔ nhyehyɛeɛ ho ban. Maka constitution ne deɛ no. Matrimonial Causes Act no 1971 yɛfɛ no Act 367. ɛno na woba Ghana ha nso a ɛfa awadeɛ yɛ a yɛ ne court ne word ne ade nyinaa saa mmara wei ɛna ɛbɔ ho ban. Na deɛ mmara no so ka nie this act governs mutual rights and responsibilities. It implies that each spouse owns a duty of consortium, meaning companionship, support, affection, and mutual help. Awadeɛ mmara na ɛwɔ Ghana ha no ɔse ɔbaa ne bɛrima no mu nyinaa mu wɔ duty of consortium. Ɛfɛ no consortium no kyerɛ sɛ obiara tumi bua obi. Companionship Oscar Timothy anam so maskati wɔ chiama wo. Support o bɔ me anam so mabua wo. Ɛnyɛ bɛrima nko ana sɛ kyerɛ ɔdɔ. Affection ɔbaa nso tumi kyerɛ ɔdɔ. Ɔbaa no sɛ bene wo try wo mfrɛ me da ɛna wo ntɔ credit ma me da. Wo nso tumi frɛ ɔbɛrima no bi na wo nso tɔ credit ma no. Because mmara say we have equal duty of consortium, which means companionship, support, affection, and mutual help. Both spouses must maintain each other. Both spouses must maintain each other financially, depending on their means and capacity. And man say, our different bɛrima ne ɔbaa no, obiara tumi yi sika ɛdi ma obi ɛma ne yeye ya emra ne gitum. Enti said na wo kan say, but depending on their means and capacity. It's a bɛrima na ɔbaa na wo yɛ adwuma. Na sɛ bɛrima ne nyɛ adwuma. Na sɛ utoka na bɛrima ne sɛ ɔmfa nyɛ adwuma sɛ be onya mfumso. Ɛna wo ma bɛrima no getire sɛ ɔmfa mie store na ɔmfa mo abusua na onya mfumso.
Lawson FM.
Ɛna uye bibia di ma bɛrima no a ɛyɛ emra sɛ oyɛ. A spouse tienie o won ka sɛ bɛrima o tie o say a spouse who refuses to maintain the other of the or the children can be ordered by the court to do so. Yes, please.
Na se hono se obema bi ni bi na ne yiri ne wo bie no wo mua no wo timi de court.
What timi de court? That's why I'm reading it in English. What say a spouse who refuses to maintain the other or their children can be ordered by the court to do so. And the Bema unu yiti wo ma ware amamre amane emra kwan so na se wo yiri ni nya adwuma wo bema no nya adwuma eye oba na se de wo mra mu se ohwe wo na den na oba ne de wo nya adwuma na se bi mpade sa wo ye housewife a bema ne tonto mama no bema ne tonto atade ma no oba ne dwetire wo ye ni ti oto ne mpaboa oto ne duku so ne bibia na se bema na adwuma se na obetra fie bia na wo ba no what is your shent na be man de otifi there be man betim do akokot se me yire no me no na e bobra no madwuma sai sikari nyina be di wunsam e se bosumi bia wo ma me chop money tum botom o to atade hye me because oba betim be man akokot se wo maintain no court no be chance kama wo be man say maintain wo yire na de ntina be ma de emra ni mo nya sa de emra ni tie entino a spouse who refuses to maintain the other or the children can be ordered by the court to do so. Okay, that is the Matrimonial Causes Act. You enter the Children's Act in Osoka. Children's Act 1998, Act 560, Section 47. Every parent has equal and joint responsibility for the upbringing and welfare of their children. Ahana kwame ubuta anwatemono. But see, every parent, every parent has equal and joint responsibility for the upbringing and welfare of their children. If you oba, ukotia oba school fees ya, that's a bare money nibia. and can't tell some of the above Busia, Unya Sika, Betia. The children belong to you, the wife, and the man or the husband. And man say, you know, equal responsibility. Yeah, and say, nah, show them. Into a bani, yeah, a ye, bad money, yeah, a ye.
Okay.
But
Matthew, we answer.
That both father and mother share the legal duty. Both father and mother share the legal duty to care, protect, educate, maintain their children. Both father and mother share the legal duty. Bema papa and in the year after they say, Ombeka boom, Ombetitin Quadano, Omdombeko school, Omabom home bra. No, I say not alone, not only the man. That is the law. Not only the man. Ntiyama memoa abim peduasa omucha woman school fees ya na omakwaje fi omuku mo hono yamra yama memoa omukucha lad bill ya na omakwaje fi omuku come take conclusion no customary law perspective weye amamre ya abedi emra no so anu ntia die nyina trimu demo a yede bobra tie ni ye. Under customary marriage, traditionally the man was seen as the head of the family and main provider, while the woman managed domestic affairs. However, modern Ghanaian court and the constitution emphasize equality and partnership. So, customary principles are now interpreted in line with constitutional equality. And the first, amamre muni amanie muno. Yesi be man na ewotire wo na utobi bia ofie na oba de 7 pedia tane de ne kitchen na ohwefie na ohoro nkura enne sa amamre ne amane no wo ye court na court bu a onfa amamre ne amane no kwa na beye obehwe modern law, modern legal position ya equality and fairness. And or the better or the bay ebo. And the Jamaican Yana say, under the laws of Ghana, no, a fear and ye bear man a equal responsibility between the man and the woman.
Wow.
First one to the 3 laws na makano, 1992 Constitution, the Matrimonial Causes Act, and the Children's Act. Come a question beyond what
not just a nimramuda, sir, Obana Bema or Kuni or Yere. Na azumi se bema kura ni ho na oyire akotua nkwada school fees ana wa ye bibi o bema na chi a bema no ba o se me yese ma o mama kotua school fees nti sanfas kan ma me eni mra
jo nya san mra ne ka enu ye tete eno kan tete amamre ne amane no a edi ye tirimu de no ba ne modern Ghana no nya san mra ne ka o se eye equal responsibility and a spouse who refuses to maintain the other can be ordered by the court to do so. So your bar, Nesika will bottom, na bibia dia dance say, Ukruno, Onibi, na wajan, Unabiania, Omano, Omano, na Unu married, did not, that man bet in the court. Ama, Ghana Mrano, I day, Abo, so by. Because, have a man a year or ban, sir, and Omwakoma, and now Omobiani. On to Mama wa. Obeti na court.
Okay.
Semi kunu wa neglect me. Enti mrano is not there for only women. Both everybody.
Enti say oba tell wo kan no mrano kire say awade ne a two-way affair. Oba ne be man nyina and what these equal responsibilities no a. And yes say be ma si niema wa awade mu a enye bone. Be ma enu aduane wa aware mu a enye bone. Bema ensu dware ne made wo ko school na wo prapra damu siesie ho anya bone ana
na kwa me bone be na wo ho bone bia ni wo
na bi mema fi say ya ma adwuma ntira me bi sata no
dabi se wo se wo yire mefa ne se wo yire ye corporate woman na osano pastor bi no kro ekọ adwuma wo ye be ma unya adwuma.
That's right.
Na se wo dware enkwara ndi ni ko school na oba no so kwa adwuma ekonya sika de behwe fi a any law no fence a joint responsibility. Who perform who role according to your capacity, and or balance who perform the role according to her capacity. And at every point in time, capacity and as a role between your performing for the good and welfare of the family, it is accepted. And you need a modern life there. You need better money and better money. Minimum, and modern family beer. Ukofia, better money, Jadin Quada. Eduomu faka ako school na oba no nso etuka ako office akoye adwuma no discuss be fie enti that traditional way of life say we ye ma adwuma we ye ma adwuma no enne na eka ho a na emma ni nko suku a ye say oba dia tabi ndodiata owudi bre ne kitchen no enne ka dia ni nyina free wo dia mema nso ye traditional rule say we na wo yiri ye adwuma wo bank na say opan adwuma 8 na sa wo be ma na oba fie 4 o'clock na wonu aduane be si ema ne si ni ho na obedi a na anwumre no ho ya de no otimi ji wani a what mistake have you committed? You have not done anything. Eye muamu ye die ene abusuane ye die ene abusuane kanko enti emre bia enti say be ma wo be boa oba wo fie say wo prapra fie wo dware wo ba ana say wo ye dey wo de support you in any way eno de sana meka
ewo mmra no so mu se obema oyiri ewo sika na aduru ba bia esa awade ewarija yetimi ba utumi kom ye hye oba no mane ma osika ma adija no
epa cho tie ni ye awade mu no emre mu no obema ende sum oba ensum bema enye na emomu no se mo ware a na bibi free ajapade ni mu ba se ye dan se ye store se ye car na mutimi tire se mo ware ye no ena munya ye se be ma no na din da so se oba na din da so mo ware na munya ye ena munyina mo contribute ye akwa property ni dia court beche e de mamu bi ba say court o ka say awade agu na oba no ensum be ma ohun say ye wo ajapade a ye che na wade mu e de wo emremefe bi alimony ni say ye gu awade na be ma eja oba kwan say fakobobra udi sum no eno de oba entwa bi
I'm not talking about esumuno yedin komo ya na madam Fubidi Abraham say the court can even order a woman who is well to do to give the man money to divorce her upon application.
Yes, it is there. Sebema ukosama oyire say upese ujano na emrani hu say bema no una sikani nyina bedi wunsam na oba no kura ni sika obetimi dia fa lawyer court betimi ahia wo say ubema no say fa lawyer etia ne ka ema oba no sa no metwe manso sa da court nsu betimi ahia oba mi ye case bia oba ni kuru atrase agbobra asidan miensa ne nan oba no agye japade ni nyina boso oba na skani nyina woni nsam oba no ko tona be ma ne se okoko no sabi de be ma ne de faka sika kura akoko to kwa no unya ko to twa sika ma oba ne se onsa ma be ma ne sika emfa lawyer na onsa ne metwi manso ye wi ajapade no ya sa achem
na oba no pe lawyer ma be ma no oba no se be ma esa tua lawyer ne ka na osa ne ko sa akotwi manso mi egu awade no na court no sa cha ajapade ne ma wo enti law no what I want us to understand is that the law is not there for only women. The law, whatever protects women, the same law protects men. Emra no ye ni emra emamra ho. But some way ebe ya manfo nwanwa kakra pa o. Because most of our for me nano pay and na ATM me nano pay naive about all of this.
Say ignorance of the law is not an excuse.
Of course.
And most of the times, you act ignorantly. And a man also, on say, Yamamani Amaniano.
Yeah.
And we will have, bear man to me, I could do call to say, call to Samayeta or Mama Kohoma, and that's on top of Mammy. And naturally, a member, or that you go no. Bema ho che no kura no a bema ntimi enka call to say ba wo yakoko do call to ani mu nko a dia na wutimi establish by evidence say japade na wo ba ne nsam no woni ne breye min mo ba bia na oye konfo na ni kunu ye chia me oba ne koma na ni kunu tushire oni na tushire sa da ma ne na tushire sa mfienku o ma si fie miensa after conformity to Johnny Kruno. What I say? What I Japadia Nina, or Beman call to know. That my call to can say, or Beman not contribute to because or not to say, I interpret your language and you will be beyond a multimedia established life for multimedia. Call to Japanese or Bemano, as I just go or Babemano or Banwa de Mabemano. And Mr. Momian yes, sir.
Wow.
Emrano. You need Obama, any the law is there for everybody. So we have courage. Now call on any evidence. Nina a dance here, and I may say, a minute in ya, daddy, who quite so to me produce evidence. I'm not called to who say Ampa. You have contributed. What Buama or Bandi, what do no, one in a breath, and two fata say, cause to judge a cause to Bajama, on Cato your Bermentino. Only Obana brain, a Japanese could do Obana, no, I did them out ban. Because you know Bacasa.
What's your friend Matrimonial
Causes Act?
Matrimonial Causes Act. Very interesting.
In the 1992 Constitution, Article 22, Clause 3. Article 22, Clause 3. Obia Betimia Kaho. Now, what can Children's Act 1998 Act 560 Section 47 the American in our yeah say Bema ne Oba and the Kabum na chichi fie Bema usika otimi de boa Oba usika otimi de boa Bema Oba timi tia Bema school akoda school fees yeah enkwaje ne Bema ho na Bema ko tia Oba ne best school fees ya okwaje ne wona yire ho
Dabi
Uncle Jina na Oba no ko tia akwa nyemu mi enu dia papa ne be doctor we ma Bema no kwa
Dabi
akwa be lawyer we ma Bema no kwa amamre mu kura mponu enkwada mu nhwe mu maame mu mo nso mu papa mu
bebre
enti se wo ba Bema ne eda fom no wakotua wo ankasa wo ba wo school fees ya wo se me da je free mi kuru wo that is not the law
lawyer no pay me very grateful pa ewo wo bra wanyama yen
that's pa
bibia ni na kire enso so a ye beba
that's it that's it da men ka ono